How do I delete items from a dictionary while iterating over it? Can I delete items from a dictionary in Python while iterating over it? I want to remove elements that don't meet a certain condition from the dictionary, instead of creating an entirely new dictionary. Is the following a good solution, or are there better ways?
For Python 3+. The other answers work fine with Python 2 but raise a runtime error for Python 3. Runtime error: dictionary changed size during iteration. This happens because midic.keys returns an iterator, not a list. As pointed out in comments, simply convert midic.keys to a list by list midic.keys, and it should work. For Python 2. A simple test in the console shows you cannot modify a dictionary while iterating over it. As stated in Delnan's answer, deleting entries causes problems when the iterator tries to move on to the next entry. Instead, use the keys method to get a list of the keys and work with that. If you need to delete based on the item's value, use the items method instead.
You could also do it in 2 steps. My favorite approach is usually to just make a new dict.
Iterate over a copy instead, such as the one returned by items.
You can't modify a collection while iterating it. That way lies madness. Most notably, if you were allowed to delete and deleted the current item, the iterator would have to move on, +1, and the next call to next would take you beyond that, +2, so you'd end up skipping one element, the one right behind the one you deleted. You have 2 options. Copy all keys, or values, or both, depending on what you need, then iterate over those. You can use .keys et al. For this. In Python 3, pass the resulting iterator to list. Could be highly wasteful space-wise though. Iterate over midict as usual, saving the keys to delete in a separate collection to _delete. When you're done iterating midict, delete all items into _delete from midict. Save some, depending on how many keys are deleted and how many stay, space over the first approach, but also requires a few more lines.
You can use a dictionary comprehension. D equals k:(dk) for k and d if dk, not equal val.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.